Your UVO eServices system is compatible with Pandora Internet Radio and SoundHound, and in this video, we'll show you how to use both. If you haven't already done so, you'll want to download and set up the Pandora app on a compatible smartphone. After you download Pandora, open the app on your smartphone. Then connect your smartphone to the UVO eServices system by plugging it into the USB cable. Once your phone is connected, select all menus from your UVO eServices system's home screen. And then select Pandora on the All Menus screen. The Pandora Radio screen will display information about the station and song currently playing. From this screen, you have several options to choose from. Let's start by choosing another station. First, press the Station button. From the Station List screen, you can then scroll through the stations saved on your phone. And using the drop-down menu at the top, you can either view them in alphabetical order or by the date they were saved. If you'd like, you can also use the Tune knob on your head unit to search and select another station. Finally, general Pandora playback controls are similar to other audio systems. To pause any song that's playing, press pause. Then press play. Or to skip to the next song on a station, press the skip button on your touchscreen. Or the seek and track keys on your head unit. SoundHound is a music discovery search engine that allows users to identify songs in a variety of ways. The head unit needs to be connected to Wi-Fi in order to use the system. First, select the mode of music you want to search, whether it's a radio mode, AM, FM, Sirius XM, or media modes like Bluetooth, iPod, USB, My Music, Auxiliary, and Pandora. Let's select FM to start the process. To access SoundHound from the home screen, select All Menus. Then select the SoundHound button. Again, from the SoundHound main screen, you have 5 different options. You can select What's That Song? To identify the current music as we just demonstrated. And you can also select Search. From the search screen, you can locate music by typing in a song name, artist, album, or even just a few lyrics. With Pandora Internet Radio and SoundHound, your UVO eServices system enables you to customize and enhance your listening. For more information, check your car multimedia system user's manual or the Quick Start Guide hang tag that came with your new Kia. Thanks for watching.